In this video, you are going to learn why Shiba Inu Metaverse crypto is a useless coin, Memecoin, but that can still make you rich, make you a lot of money. If you know me, I've been trading supply and demand for a long time. So in this video, I'm going to dive into price action and the power of supply and demand imbalances, which most people are ignoring because they are not aware of these impulses, because we also use bigger time frames and most traders are using smaller time frames. So I'm going to reveal why this is a great investment, okay? Even though Shiba Inu Metaverse crypto is, well, let's say a useless coin, really. There's no real use in the live markets, okay? In the real life scenarios, okay? So first of all, this is a supply and demand crypto analysis. So I'm going to analyze this is one of the most unexpected but potentially crypto investments, okay? Lucrative, because right now in the crypto space, Shiba Inu is a great investment because we have these imbalances on the multi-time frame in control, and you can see how they reacted. This one over here that was created in October 2021, look at the strength of that impulse in a single month, that month of October 2021, and it took a few months to retrace, and look how it played out. And then this one located at, well, 0 followed by a few zeros. It's difficult to read. It's been playing out. This area of demand created in March 2024, retraced to the level in August 2024, and look at the rally. It rallied almost, well, 200%, and now it has already rallied after the second retest about 70%, okay? So I guess what you're thinking, I mean, isn't Shiba Inu just another meme coin? Well, yes, fundamentally, it's not trying to solve world hunger or revolutionize finance, but these imbalances are a proof that you can make money. But guess what? Okay, you don't need a coin or a meme coin like Shiba Inu or Mudeng or any others, or GOAT, okay, to make money. Okay, anything is useful. Okay, so you don't need these meme coins to be useful in real life in order to help you make money. All you need to understand is price action and supply and demand. And I'm using the monthly imbalances. We will see how the weekly imbalances play out, and also the daily, because right now we've got a great opportunity on the daily time frame. Okay, you can use smaller time frames for this crypto meme coin, okay, to trade it. So maybe you don't know what Shiba Inu is, but well, let's break it down. It started as a meme, another useless thing, okay? Direct competitor of Dogecoin, which is another meme coin. So it's like an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network with a massive circulating supply and a huge following, okay? So it has launched its own ecosystem, okay? Including Shibarium. Well, you can read more about it on Google. So why is Shiba Inu right now a smart trade? Well, here's a few things. Besides price action, supply and demand imbalances, which is what we've been talking all the time, we have these two great imbalances on the monthly located at this 0 level at 72 and then 82, playing out really well. These two price levels, which are imbalanced on the monthly time frame, are made of very strong impulses with large candlestick bodies. This one is very similar to this one. This one obviously is not as strong as that one that happened in 2021, but it's also very strong as it is this reaction, okay? So these two strong imbalances in the monthly, it's where whales, institutional buyers stepped in, where the big money created significant imbalances between buyers and sellers. So price dropped here, okay? Price dropped into these zones, demand overwhelmed supply, and prices exploded upwards, as you can see in these reactions. And this happens in all time frames, okay? So a simple rule is when demand outweighs supply, prices go up. It's very simple. And that's what happened on Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, and it wasn't luck. It's a structure, price action, and context. That's all it is. But if you are looking at the daily time frame, you have no idea why now the daily is rebounding from there. Why is it rebounding? You have no idea if you don't look at the bigger time frames like these imbalances on the monthly, okay? So right now, things are shifting in our favor on the daily time frame. We just enter an uptrend, and we've got a strong imbalance down there, which is a key imbalance in market structure. Very strong impulse made of large candlestick bodies. It's tried to reach this imbalance, but just couldn't. This blue level is not a daily imbalance, it's just the monthly, okay, imbalance down there that can be seen through the daily. So now we have a daily uptrend with a very strong imbalance over there. So what should we do? Why waiting now? Why don't we buy now? Because obviously Shiba Inu cryptocurrency could rally much higher from there, but this is like a magnet, okay? Imbalances and demand levels is like a magnet to price. And we just have to wait, because smart investors, and I hope you are, don't chase candlesticks. They don't chase trades, okay? They wait for price to return to where demand will likely kick in again. So this level, once price returns there and confirms that it's there, then we can buy and ride the next wave, which hopefully will happen. Sometimes these levels do not have the pullback necessary for us to buy, but well, we might have thought the same thing about the monthly. When price was here, we thought the price was rallying, and then suddenly it retraced, and the same thing here and there. So it's just a matter of waiting, okay? So we need to wait and wait and wait, and we become smarter cryptocurrency investors, okay? And this is the next key level on the daily. So the thing is, but you may be asking yourself again, if Shiba Inu Memecoin is useless, why am I going to buy? Well, it's because you can make money. It's very simple like that. And you can use the futures contracts available on Qcoin, on Bybit exchanges, on Binance too, probably in certain countries. So, well, yeah, it's useless, honestly, but from a real world utility standpoint, Shiba Inu, doesn't do much. It's not solving any major tech problem, and nobody uses it to buy groceries or a car. Okay, but here's the thing. So utilities doesn't drive price in speculative markets. Psychology and liquidity do. So here we've got a very strong imbalance where we can see a strong rally, and we have to wait for the pullback. So besides Shiba Inu having a huge and loyal community, a massive liquidity spikes, and it also has a predictable pattern of reacting to imbalances, as you can see here on the monthly, there, and also on the weekly and the 4-hour. But we're talking about the monthly and the daily time frames, okay? So if we have this predictable pattern for Shiba Inu cryptocurrency that reacts to demand levels, so that's, let's say, like a gold mine for traders who know how to read price action on a chart, okay? Because that will give us the possibility of forecast with a high degree of accuracy what we are expecting. In this case, a pullback to this daily area of demand. So we don't need to believe in the tech, we need to believe in the trade setup. And this is a great trade setup if we still have the daily trending up when price gets down there. So Shiba Inu is not a fundamentally strong asset, okay? It follows predictable price action on supply and demand, as like this one, and the imbalances on the monthly, this one and this one. Right now, the daily time frame is trending up with a huge imbalance here in the daily that was created at the beginning of May 2025. Okay, so you don't need a coin to be useful. You just need a plan, and you need to respect the chart, price action, and location and context and multiple time frame analysis, which you need to do. Okay, so if you are in the crypto market to make money, Shiba Inu Metaverse is absolutely worth watching. You should set an alert down there and wait to see what happens down there. So there it is. There's nothing else to say about it. We are waiting for the pullback for Shiba Inu to reach that area demand. Let's see if that happens. And if it doesn't happen, probably we're going to get another demand level if it starts to rally higher and create a strong impulse, minimum something like this. Okay, or like this, but opposite to the bullish side. And there it is. Hopefully this will happen. If you like this video, click on the like button. I will be glad to update any other cryptocurrencies, forex and stocks, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.